Hello everyone, and welcome to this presentation on SWOT analysis. Today, we'll explore what SWOT analysis is, its components, benefits, and practical applications. By the end of this session, you'll have a clear understanding of how to use SWOT analysis for strategic decision-making. Let's start by defining SWOT analysis. SWOT stands for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. It's a strategic tool that helps organizations analyze both internal and external factors affecting their performance. The purpose of the SWOT analysis is to help organizations make informed decisions and identify strategic priorities. Let's discuss the components of SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis is divided into two main categories. The first focuses on internal factors, strengths and weaknesses. These are aspects within an organization's control. Strengths represent what the organization excels at, its core competencies and unique advantages. Weaknesses are internal areas needing improvement, where the organization may fall short. The second category covers external factors, opportunities and threats, which are shaped by external environments like market trends, competitors, and economic conditions. Opportunities are external trends or conditions that provide potential growth or advantages, such as market trends or emerging technologies. Finally, threats are external challenges that may hinder success, like competition, economic factors, or regulatory changes. Together, these components offer a clear picture of the organization's position. So, what are the benefits of using SWOT analysis? It provides a structured approach to developing strategies by organizing insights into strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. It also encourages critical thinking and collaboration, bringing teams together to assess the business from multiple perspectives. SWOT helps in identifying competitive advantages and pinpointing areas for growth and improvement. Additionally, it supports risk management and enables forecasting of future trends, ensuring organizations are better prepared for challenges and opportunities. Conducting a SWOT analysis involves 5 key steps. First, define objectives. Clearly outline what you are analyzing, such as a project or business goal. Next, gather data through internal audits, market research, and competitor analysis to get a comprehensive view. Then, categorize factors by organizing your findings under strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Once done, analyze and prioritize the most impactful areas. Finally, develop strategies by leveraging strengths to seize opportunities and addressing weaknesses and threats effectively. As an example, let's examine the SWOT analysis of XYZ Company. Let's read the scenario. XYZ Company, a leading player in its industry, boasts a strong brand reputation and a portfolio of innovative products that differentiate it from competitors. However, the company faces internal challenges, including high production costs that affect profitability and a limited market share in new and emerging regions. On the brighter side, external opportunities such as a growing demand for sustainable products and untapped global markets present avenues for expansion and growth. Nevertheless, the company must navigate external threats, including intense competition from established players and the potential impact of an economic downturn on consumer purchasing power. Strategic planning is critical. Let's dive into this SWOT matrix for XYZ Company. Strengths: the company has a strong brand reputation and offers innovative products that give it a competitive edge. Weaknesses: however, high production costs impact profitability, and the company struggles to expand its market share in new regions. Opportunities: there is a growing demand for sustainable products and untapped global markets, presenting excellent opportunities for expansion. Threats: intense competition and potential economic downturns pose significant risks. This matrix highlights the need for strategic planning to capitalize on opportunities while addressing weaknesses and threats effectively. While SWOT analysis is a valuable tool, it has certain limitations. First, it lacks a quantitative focus, relying on subjective interpretations that can vary between individuals. Second, it may oversimplify complex situations, failing to capture the full depth of an issue. Third, its effectiveness depends heavily on the quality of the data collected. Inaccurate or incomplete data can lead to flawed insights. Finally, SWOT requires regular updates to stay relevant, as the business environment and external conditions change over time. SWOT analysis has numerous strategic applications in the real world. It's widely used for business expansion planning, helping organizations identify the best markets to enter. SWOT is also invaluable in risk management frameworks, helping businesses anticipate and mitigate potential threats. It plays a crucial role in marketing and branding strategies, allowing companies to align their strengths with market opportunities. Lastly, it aids in product development decisions, ensuring new offerings align with customer needs and competitive advantages. In conclusion, SWOT analysis is a simple yet effective tool for identifying strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. It's a cornerstone of strategic planning, helping organizations capitalize on what they do well and prepare for challenges. I encourage you to incorporate SWOT into your strategic processes. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it informative and engaging. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on more insightful content like this.